ಹುಡುಕಬೇಡಿ. What is the question given here? ಯಾವ ಲೆಸನ್ ಇಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? Pair of linear equations in two variable solving these two equation by substitution method. Given 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. So ಇವಾಗ ಇದೆರಡು equations ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. We have to calculate the value of m here, for which y is equal to mx plus 3. So this is one more linear equation in two variable. So coefficient of x here m value has to calculate. 3 is a constant here. So start ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. Same by substitution method. Solution ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Take down first equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Then second one is, this is equation number 1. Then 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. You notice ಮಾಡಿ, in second equation common factor is 2. So divide ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Dividing by 2. So 2x by 2 gives x minus 2y is equal to minus 12. Then minus 24 by 2 is minus 12. So ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು equation number 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ I am considering this equation only now. So consider equation 2. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 1 ಅಥವಾ 2. Consider equation 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು x ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ? So we have to write this equation in terms of x or y. So ನಾನು x ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So ಇದನ್ನಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ 2y minus 12 ಆಯಿತು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? 2y minus 12. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ನಾನು equation number 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Substitute x as 2y minus 12. 2y minus 12 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. In equation number 1. So here is the equation number 1. So rewrite 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. So ಈಗ x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 2x minus 12. That is 2 into 2x minus 12 divided by, sorry, not divided by, okay, 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. ಸೊ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ? ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, 2 into 2x 4x ಆಯಿತು. 2 into minus 12 is minus 24 plus 3y is equal to 11 ಆಯಿತು. ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ಸಾರಿ, ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ x as 2y minus 12. ಓಕೆ, really I'm starting 2 into x is 2y minus 12. X value as 2y minus 12 plus 3y is equal to 11. Then on multiplying these two expression, 2 into 2y is 4y minus 2 into minus 12 is minus 24 plus 3y is equal to 11. So notice here the given expression is in terms of y only. So 4y plus 3y is 7y. 7y minus 24, or you can shift minus 24 and add it this side. That comes 11 plus 24. Sign change, minus becomes plus 24. So 7y is equal to, how much it is? 35. So y is equal to 35 upon 7 gives 7 ones are 7 5s. So y is equal to 5. One value we got here. Value of y as 5. Okay, now next to substitute this value in any one equation. Okay, so I am substituting this equation the value of y. Okay, so here only I will substitute y as 5 in equation number 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ equation number 1. y value 5 ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ equation number 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. That gives 2x plus 3 into 5 is equal to 11. Then it is 2x plus 15 is equal to 11. Okay, then 2x is equal to 11 minus 15. Then 2x becomes 11 minus 15 is how much? Minus 4. So x is equal to, correct answer? Yes. x is equal to minus 4 divided by 2 gives us x as minus 2. ಹೇಗೆ 2 ones are 2 twos are minus 4 by 2 gives minus 2. x is equal to minus 2. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ x ಮತ್ತೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೇನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ m. So we have to substitute both x and y value in given equation. Y is equal to mx plus 3. Last step ಇವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, -2 and 5 are the value. So let us take the next part. Y is equal to mx plus 3 is the given expression. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ x as 2 and y as plus 1. Okay. Then substitute x as x and y value. ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ -2 ಮತ್ತೆ 5 value. So these two value x and y value in equation, this equation y is equal to mx plus 3. Okay. Y as plus 5 is equal to m into -2 plus 3. So 5 is equal to m into -2 is -2m plus 3. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈಗ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. -2m becomes what? +2m. +2m is equal to 5 ಅನ್ನ shifting that side to right hand side. It is 3 minus 5. What is it? +5 becomes -5. Then 2m is equal to 3 minus 5 is -2. Regular m value. What is m value? M is equal to -2 divided by 2. So m value is -1. इधे केडिद् नमगे. Calculate m value. Okay. What was the given equation? Solve these two equations. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and one more 2x minus 4y is equal to -24, and find the value of m for the given equation. Y is equal to mx plus 3. So final value m is equal to -1. So this is the way of solving this problem. So let us continue next part. Okay, till then take care and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please do share, comment, yes, subscribe, share, sign my channel. Thank you.